even get to see you here. Then I just see a little bit of your hair. I can see it. That's 10. I can't even see it. I can't really see, can't you?
All right, hold up.
Can I help?
What's that?
This is 29 feet right here.
Can
Okay.
I help?
Cam, put it on the ground.
Pull it. Just a little
Yeah, there you go. Is that good? That looks good.
bit. Good. Go check down there and see if it's full. Like enough room.
Yeah.
Your weapon too far.
Okay.
So, but it
Camden.
only is long range.
Cameron, stop walking in front of
All
me.
right. That's our one corner.
All right.
Now our doorway.
I just said right here.
Where's 16?
19.
Is there a reason you're making it? Yeah.
They get a wheelbarrow through?
I mean, and not bigger, I mean.
No.
There's roots all in our yard.
Look at all those trees. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, it's the shape of it.
Yeah.
Make a sandcastle.
No, Carter.
I'm gonna need that dirt.
Hi, Ollie.
There's a piece of
1 foot ish. Yep.
Why are you feeling?
High fence.
Guess I'll just run it here and then cut it and then put the net on it.
Oh. You're gonna cut the net too?
Just fight it.
Yeah.
Which way are you going?
I'm gonna go wrap around here and then take it to the next pole.
Okay. I didn't know if you were going that way or that way. Why? Why not just staple it and keep going?
I need to put the fence on.
Oh, and that's the door.
What?
Holds it in on itself.
Alright, well just unroll as much as you need and then unfold it. You know what I'm saying? We'll hold it up to this thing. Back up.
Not mean to do that. Look.
the last side. Back. Shh. The last pole. And now our entire garden is netted in. Last one? Is that it?
Well, there's some touch-ups that need to happen.
Yeah. And
The post.
the door.
Oh, yeah, the door.
So it was supposed to keep the chickens out. Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Yeah, you can get them out. Don't know. They'll run away the second you turn it on.
I want the door frame. All the naysayers.
Hence all the naysayers. Did you screw them together?
I did.
Did you hold them up there?
No, I have not yet.
Naysayers rejoice.
It's gonna work.
There's
Don't worry.
still
I don't care
time.
what I have to do. Oh.
All right. I suppose it will work. I mean, deer won't open it. Chickens won't open it. Good job. I'm tired.
It's all done!
I did it all by myself with no help from anybody. This box has all the lettuce in it. This box has radishes in it right now. Hopefully the deer won't eat them. High five.